Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you don't know me, my name is Daslin and we are in Puerto Rico. I am so excited. We got here yesterday. I just wanted to fill you guys in on what has been going on. But if you haven't, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video. So we actually decided to stay in an Airbnb just to be a little bit more cost effective. The hotels here are really nice, but they're also like, I'm an all-inclusive person, so I don't really want to pay $400 a night if I have to then spend money on extra things. So yeah, we got a really cute Airbnb right in the middle of Condado, and it's really close to everything. Ubers here are really cheap, like under $10. Most of them have been $4 just to get around, so it's really inexpensive. But I'm gonna show you guys the Airbnb. So this is the view from outside of our Airbnb. So this is the kitchen. It's really simple. It's a smaller Airbnb than other ones that I've been to, but it's really nice if you're like a solo traveler. So that is the entire Airbnb. It's pretty small but really cozy actually, and it's really nice. It's big enough for one person or two, and it's really all you need when you're on vacation. You know, you're out of the room, you're outside, so you don't really need anything crazy. And it was cheaper for this whole apartment, for a kitchen, microwave, everything like that, than a hotel room. So it really is cost effective. And yeah, so we're just gonna get ready, get going, and go over to Old San Juan. Hopefully it doesn't rain today. The weather's been, you know, a little wishy-washy, but like they say, like in these tropical areas too, kind of like Florida too, it rains for like 15 minutes and then it goes away. Yesterday it was pretty rainy, but today so far it's already 2 o'clock and we haven't seen anything. A little cloudy, but no problem. So we're gonna get ready and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Thought I would fill you in a little bit on what has been going on. So we arrived yesterday. Yesterday was a really chill day. We actually just settled in, we ate, and then we went to a salsa class last night. It was like a 2-hour class and it was a lot of fun. I know how to dance, but like it definitely gave me pointers and tips that I really didn't know, because I'm like really bad at turns and like anticipating and counting, and I learned all of that and it was really cool. So I will link all of the information down below. I wanted to record the class, but we were just too busy dancing and having a good time. And then after that, the teacher actually gave us some tips on where to go to dance and get some drinks or whatever. But we came on a Wednesday. Today's Thursday, which is my birthday. But yeah, we went to the La Factoria, and it's like a little bar hopping joint where you go into one room and then into another. It's 3 rooms, but it was calm last night. It wasn't crazy. The beginning of the trip has been really calm. But I wanted to make sure that I got all the fun stuff and all the activities for you guys the rest of the trip. So we just went to the gym, went to this really fire restaurant called Musa. Best brunch I've ever had. If you guys need a really good food spot, definitely check that one out. But we're just back at the Airbnb. We're gonna get ready and we're gonna go visit Old San Juan today, walk around and see the town and visit a couple restaurants and just have a good time. If you guys are interested in seeing any of my other travel videos, make sure to check out my travel playlist. I will link it here. You can check out my vlogs, my reviews, all that good stuff. Alright guys, so I just wanted to fill you in really quickly. It is the next day. Yesterday was fun. We walked around Old San Juan a little bit, and then we went to the T-Mobile district. Nothing was really going on, but today we're on our way to Yunque. I'm actually talking to you guys really quickly because we just stopped at Walgreens to go to the bathroom and change, but we're gonna do like off the beaten path, do some water slides, go hiking. So we just took a stop and we're about to go there now. Yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really into like adventures and waterfalls and things like that, but they're saying it's gonna be like a really assertive, tough hike. So we're about to get back on the bus. I'm gonna catch up with you guys in a little bit and I'm gonna show you the whole experience. Official gear. Everybody's prepping. I'm nervous, guys. It's a whole rainforest. I'm nervous. just started, guys, but I don't know about my knees, but hopefully it's not that tough the rest of the way through. That's like, I swear, my elbow, he got it. He did it well. My elbow almost flicked off. But it was cool. It was scary. These natural rock slides are no joke. We just did a little cliff jumping. It wasn't anything crazy. I think it was like, they have, wait, somebody's done right now. Oh my god, they have 3 different ones. They have a 5 feet one, they have like a 10 feet one, and then they have like a 12 feet one. I'm gonna show you guys right now. I did the baby one. They have me sliding down rocks and jumping off cliffs. I can't, I'm tired. They told me, actually, I asked the guy, I was like, how many times have people gotten hurt? He was like, last week a girl dislocated her shoulder and popped it back in. People break fingers on the daily. People break legs, arms, and like, people die. So it's not that crazy, but remember, like, they're in a rainforest and there's currents and stuff, so you will have to really be careful. But I'm gonna link all the information down below so you guys can try this experience, because it was awesome. And there's all age groups too, so really anybody can come on it. It's just about your physical ability. I would really recommend, you know, knees in good condition. You're gonna be slipping, you're gonna be sliding, you're gonna be in mud, you're gonna be climbing, but make sure you're just physically able. And if you're in Puerto Rico, definitely come out to Yunque and try this tour, because this one was cool. Just finished the rainforest tour. It was a lot of fun, and then they brought us to Luquillo, I think I'm saying it right, Luquillo Beach, and there's a whole bunch of like sidebars and little restaurants and stuff. Look at this 32-ounce mojito right now. But yeah, so we're just gonna grab some empanadas and then check out the beach. Today was so much fun. El Yunque was really exhausting. It was like a whole day function. It was from 8 to 4 p.m. But the tour guides were so lit, so much fun. It was Julian and Frankie, I believe. But I will link the information down below if you guys want to try out the tour. I definitely recommend. And then after, you get food, you get drinks, and you have a good time. And they really know how to like bring the energy and just, you know, make sure everybody's having fun. Right now we're on our way to La Placita, and I'm excited because I've been waiting for the Puerto Rico vibes, the reggaeton, the perreo, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to dance, I'm trying to have a good time, and it's been raining the last couple of days, but apparently today the curfew has lifted, so there's no more curfew till 12 o'clock. Now we can stay out till 4 and, you know, get it popping. So we're on our way, and apparently that's the place to be. People dancing in the streets, salsa, everything. So I'm gonna show you guys how tonight goes. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me and show you how it goes. Guys, so it is Saturday. Last night was a lot of fun. The Placita was definitely, like, it lived up to the hype that people were saying it was. It wasn't as big as I thought it would be. It was literally just like one block with like a whole bunch of bars and clubs and stuff. But it was a lot of fun, and everything was open until around 3:34. Really hard to find food around here though. At that time, it was a bit of a struggle, but had a really, really good time. If you do go to La Placita, definitely check out Tulum. Tulum was the club of the night. There are a lot of different like bars, hookah lounges, but there were two that were really, really popping. Tulum was it. They were playing house, they were playing reggaeton, they were playing a little bit of everything. So today we have the Bacardi Factory. It's like a mixology class at 2:30, but we're about to go to brunch at Numero 1. It's like this really nice spot on the beach. So I'm gonna show you guys that, but hopefully today goes well. No rain, anything like that, and then we're just gonna walk around and explore Old San Juan again and just, you know.
Now, for this first tasting, we're not going to do anything too complicated. I want you guys to participate in a nice little Puerto Rican tradition. I want you guys to raise this glass up above your head, and with as much attitude as possible, you're going to say salud.
Salud! Cheers.
To my friends, of course, for a lot of rum, we need a lot of glasses. And then here we are. Bacardi Visitor Center with a fun and gift to begin.
Ooh, official.
Wait, right here. Citrusy pineapple, and last, the coconut cream. See, then to your left, right, and heel facing down. Now, why this specific? 4 teaspoons of sugar. Infuse the sugar with the lime, and as you're doing it, 5 seconds, boogie section. You want to lime, sugar, lime, one important key. Arriba! Arriba! Mojito that you yourself. Come on, feel it. Take that mojito.
I gotta fix my
Here's the move.
After spending some time at the Bacardi Factory, we decided to stop by the El Morro forts and watch the beautiful sunset before we made our way to dinner. We took in the beauty, walked around a little bit, and just reflected on our amazing day. Then we headed to dinner at Barrachina, which is one of the famous restaurants in San Juan. It was absolutely delicious. Then the next day we went to Gonzalandia Falls to swim and relax. And it was a really nice, calm relaxation swim. People were jumping from within the waterfall. It was a really cool place to hang out. After this, we made our way to Cueva Indio. I'm not gonna lie, the views here were extremely beautiful, but it was actually really intimidating and scary to go into the cave, so I did not partake. There was a local who was there, who was barefooted, And honestly, like, he was just like Puerto Rico's Tarzan. Like, he was going in and out of the caves with no problem, but there were a lot of tourists who went inside and were struggling to get out because you do have to go into rocks and nooks and crannies, and it is very, very tight, small spaces, and there aren't official regulations or people there to help you. So I did not go in, but it was a beautiful place to relax and take in the views. Our final day ended with a brunch at Bañas, which was absolutely delicious. I highly recommend checking that out. Before we did some last minute exploring and sightseeing of Old San Juan, walking down the beautiful streets, and visiting the famous forts. This was a quick walkthrough. You can really spend as much time here as you would like if you want to go through each hall and read about the history and the information of the forts, or you can really get through it within 30 minutes. But it was a nice way to finish our trip. And then we headed over to La Verguenza for lunch overlooking La Perla and concluding our amazing trip in Puerto Rico and San Juan. If you got to the end, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and most importantly, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video.